How to transfer Facebook account to another mobile number. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your mobile number on your Facebook account. So if you're trying to change your Facebook account so that you can log in with a different phone number, first thing you're going to have to do is open Facebook. Now once you are on your Facebook account, you want to access your settings. To do that, find the top left corner of your screen on the three lines. You can scroll down here to find settings and privacy, and then go to settings. Now, in order to change your phone number, it's quite easy. You are going to have to go to your account center, and then you will have your personal details where you have all of your information along with your email as well as your phone number. Tap on personal details. Now, from your personal details, you'll have your contact info with your email, and if you've added your phone number, it's also going to be there. Now, just tap on contact info. Here you're going to have your email and your phone number. Now all you have to do is tap on the phone number that you want to remove, or if you want to add a new one, tap on add new contact. You don't necessarily have to remove your previous phone number. Now select what you would like to add. If you want to add a mobile number, just tap on mobile number. Here select which account you want to use for this mobile number. I'll just go ahead and select this one right over here. Now just go ahead and enter your phone number here and then tap on change. It's going to send an OTP code on your phone number, and then you can use that code to simply go ahead and replace it. That's how you can transfer Facebook account to another phone number. If this tutorial was helpful to you guys, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.